GPS quadcopter operation demonstration. Open the package and take out the drone and remote control. Expand the drone and remote control. Turn on the drone switch. At that time, the drone lights continue to flash quickly. Turn on the remote control switch again and hear two beeps of beep and beep. The remote control indicator light is always on. The front and rear lights of the drone are breathing lights. Long press the gyroscope calibration button until a beep. At that time, the front and rear lights of the drone have changed from fast flashing to steady on. Long press the geomagnetic correction button until a beep. The front light flashes twice and then goes off. The rear light flashes twice and the rear front and rear lights continue to flash alternately. Pick up the drone and rotate horizontally and clockwise until the remote control makes a beep. The front lights of the drone are always on and the lights flash. Pick up the drone and rotate counterclockwise vertically until the remote control makes a beep. At this time, the drone's red light flashes slowly. That is, the geomagnetic correction is successful. Waiting for the drone to search for GPS signals. The front and back lights are always on when the GPS signal is searched successfully. Unlock the whole scope in the remote control and take off. Basic operation demonstration. Forward, backward, fly left, fly right, ascend, descend, rotate left, rotate right, headless mode. Toggle the battle bike and first to adjust the camera, ESC camera. App installation. Scan the corresponding QR code as a menu to download the app and install it. Then, turn on the mobile phone Wi-Fi and connect to the signal sent by the drone. Click the Auto Follow button on the app. The drone automatically follows. Gesture follow. MV production.
I lie awake at night, see things in black and white.
Orbit. Point to flight. Return home. Press a home button on the remote control and the home button on the app interface. The drone can return home with one click low power return. Indoor flight. Turn on the drone switch. Turn on the remote control switch again and hear two beeps of beep and beep. Long press a GPS button to turn off GPS. Unlock the whole scope in the remote control and take off.